Hello children, welcome to the Kids TV. Today we will learn vegetables name. Guess this vegetable. Yes, this is curry leaf. Guess this vegetable. This is drumstick. Guess this vegetable. Yes, this is eggplant. Guess this vegetable. This is elephant foot yam. Guess this one. Yes, this is fava beans. Guess this vegetable. This is fennel. Guess this vegetable. This is Fenugreek leaf. Guess this one. Yes, this is garlic. Guess this vegetable. Yes, this is ginger. Guess this one. This is green beans. Guess this vegetable. This is green chili. Guess this one. Yes, this is Indian gooseberry. Guess this vegetable. This is kidney beans. Guess this vegetable. Yes, this is kolabri. Guess this vegetable. This is ladyfinger. Guess this vegetable. This is maize. Guess this one. Yes, this is mouse melon. Guess this vegetable. This is mushroom. Guess this one. Yes, this is mustard greens. Guess this vegetable. This is corn. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.